Welcome back, guys. So today we have this partial fraction question here on the board. So it says resolve the partial fraction below 5x plus 2 all over 3x squared plus 4x minus 4. So you can see that below here we have a quadratic equation. So in resolving that quadratic equation, that's factorizing it rather, you have 5x plus 2 all over 3x minus 2 brackets x plus 2. So this is a factorized version of this quadratic equation. This is it when factorized. So from here we'll have that this is now equal to a all over 3x minus 2 as the first bracket there, plus b, you pick the second one, x plus 2. Okay, so from here now we have to make this linear in order to simplify it further and resolve the partial fraction. Okay, so from here now to simplify it, that's finding the LCM. You know how you do your fractions, finding the LCM. We'll see that the LCM is these two. Okay, so when you multiply this with this, multiply this with this, multiply this with this, we should be able to make it what? Linear. So if you are multiplying this with this, you'll see that this will cancel out. So we'll have 5x plus 2 is equal to, if you have to multiply this with this, you see that this will cancel out this and be left with a bracket x plus 2. Okay, so now 3x plus 2, right? Yeah. So now plus, if you multiply this with this, you see that this will cancel out this. I'll be left with b bracket what? 3x minus 2. Okay, have you seen it now? So from here we can do what? Open the brackets. So we'll have that 5x plus 2 is equal to what? A plus a times this and a times this will give you ax plus 2a plus, you do the same thing, you open the brackets, 3bx minus this, that is minus times plus is what? Minus 2b. Okay, so from here now let's do what? Let's collect like terms. Let's bring x to where x is and constant terms to where constant terms is. So in doing that we'll have 5x plus 2 is equal to ax plus, you see this one is with x, so you bring here 3bx plus the 2a minus 2b. Okay, so from here now we can say that this is 5x plus 2 is equal to a plus 3b bracket x, that's this x is with this both of these values here, okay, plus 2a minus 2b. You can put them in brackets. Okay, so from here now we are going to do what? Equate the coefficients of x and what? Constant terms. What are the coefficients of x? The values are with x. And what are the constant terms? The values are not with what? X. That's what I mean. So now we'll have that 5, okay, equating coefficients of x. We'll have that, what is the coefficient of x here? 5 is equal to, what's the coefficient of x on the right hand side? A plus 3b. Okay, so you can as well say that a plus 3b is equal to 5, giving us what? Equation 1. Are you guys seeing it? So from here now let's equate the constant terms. So equating constant terms. In equating constant terms, we have that what? 2 is equal to what? This 2a minus 2b. So from here we can say that 2a minus 2b is equal to what? 2. Are you guys seeing it now? So right from here now we have what? Equation what? 2. So now let's bring out our equations. Okay, this a plus 3b equals to 5, equation 1. 2a plus, okay, minus 2b is equal to what? 2, equation 2. So from here now you can see that this is what? A simultaneous equation. So remember how you solve your simultaneous equation, you can use either the elimination method or the substitution method. So here I'll choose to use what? The substitution method. I think that will be a bit faster. So in substituting, let's use equation 1 to substitute. Let's find a in equation 1. From equation 1 we'll have that a is equal to what? 5 minus 3b. Okay, so now let's substitute that into equation 2. That is putting the value of a, whichever you have a in equation 2. Substituting into equation what? 2. We have that 2 bracket 5 minus 3b minus 2b is equal to what? 2. Then we have what? 10 minus 2 times 3. 2 times minus 3 is what? Minus 6b minus 2b is equal to 2. So from here we have minus 6b minus 2b will give us 10 minus 8b, okay, is equal to 2. So now let's move 8 here and move 2 here. We'll have that 10 minus 2 is equal to what? 8b. So from here we have that 8b is equal to what? 10 minus 2 is what? 8, right? So let's move to this part. So from there we'll divide what? Both sides by the coefficient of what? B. We are looking for b, right? So we'll have that 8b is equal to 8 all over 8. That's the coefficient of b all over 8. So this will cancel out and b will be equal to what? 1. So now we've had the value of b. Let's substitute it. Substitute into equation 1. Now to find a, okay, we've gotten the value of b. So equation 1 is what? A plus 3b is equal to 5. So well, let's put the value of b here. So that's a plus 3 bracket 1 is equal to 5, right? So that's a plus 3 is equal to 5. So we remove 3 here. A will now be equal to 5 minus 3. Now give us a is equal to what? 2, right? So now we have that a is equal to 2 and what? B is equal to 1. So now let's put that in this equation. So that means before we had a all over 3x minus 2 plus b all over x plus 2. So now we have the value of a, which is what? 2 all over what? 3x minus 2 plus what? B is what? 1 all over what? X plus 2. So you can see there that we have our what? Partial fraction. We've resolved the partial fraction. So you can keep your answer like this. It's okay like this. So thank you for watching. Please follow or subscribe, like, and also comment on the video for more mathematical content like this. Thank you.